and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and today we are going to be revealing the teaser of Brigade Group's new launch, that is Brigade, which is located in Neopolis, Kokapet, Hyderabad, Telangana. Well, before we start, let us see the actual site of Brigade. This is going to be the actual site of Brigade. We are at the location. And yes, before we move ahead with the project overview, so let me first tell you what is Housey. Well, Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects the customers with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. That means the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms, wherein if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers. And what's the result? You get a lot of calls. Well, let me tell you that Housey is one such real estate platform wherein the listing is done directly by the developer. So do not go here and there. Book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts, offers, and much more. So let's get started. Well, now first talking about the project overview. So this project of Brigade is going to be constructed on 10 acres of land parcel, having one mixed development tower and two residential high-rise towers of 60 stories, having 3 BHK with maid, 4 BHK with maid, 5 BHK with maid, and duplex ultra luxury high-rise residences. Now let's talk about the location part. So this location is off Outer Ring Road in Neopolis, Kokapet, Hyderabad, with Outer Ring Road 500 meters from the project. Financial district is around 3 kilometers from the project. Airport is around a 30 to 35 minute drive from the project. Then we have Orient Mall, that is an upcoming mall which is going to be right inside Neopolis. And then we also have Kokapet Terminal, Kokapet 1 Mall, which is around 8 to 9 minutes from the project, as well as many more good restaurants, cafes, shopping complexes, schools, colleges, everything, as well as healthcare facilities are going to be just in Kokapet itself and in Neopolis. Now let's talk about the amenities part. So this project, that is Brigade by Brigade Developers, is going to be having 60 plus ultra luxurious amenities with a 6th floor storage clubhouse and then 1 lakh plus square feet of amenities on 30th as well as 60th floor, just like Marina Bay Sands and Petronas Tower. And these will include gymnasium, swimming pool, kids play area, senior citizen area, jogging track, library, spa, sauna, and much more. Now let's talk about the super build-up area. So the project has 3 BHK with maid, 4 BHK with maid's room, as well as 5 BHK and duplex with maid's room. And this will have a tentative dimension of around 3,000 square feet super build-up area to around 10,000 square feet super build-up area approximately. Now let's talk about the booking process. So the project is in soft launch right now, but the EOI window has now opened. Our sales team will come to you and explain to you the complete project details. We'll share the pricing, payment schemes as well.
And then if you like the project, if you're interested to buy the project, then you can bid by paying an EOI amount of around 10 lakhs non-depositing check.
If you have any queries related to the pricing, payment scheme, brochures, or you want to do a site visit, you can just click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link.
At last, if you like this video and to watch more such teaser launch project unboxing videos, subscribe.
Have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.